Magna. Okay, here we said about the social factors. Here are the examples of hippie movement, that is fried jeans. Fried jeans, they look like the bottom white, the jeans with white bottom. That is fried jeans. The next, tie and dye shirts. What do you mean by tie and dye? Any idea? Raina, you said in the previous classes, tie and dye is a method of dyeing, right?
Dying.
It's a method of dyeing dyeing textiles to produce the different patterns by tying a section of the cloth, by tying a section of the cloth together so that they will not get absorbed the dye. Did you experience the tie and dye? Did you experience? No, I think so. So, shall I do experience? Shall I do something experiment like tie and dye? Do you want that experiment? Do you want? Steffi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are we late?
Ma'am, my laptop, I don't know, it wasn't
Okay,
getting
okay,
on.
okay, no problem, okay, no problem, dear. Here we discussed about the social factors. Okay, so the next period we are going to do a tie and dye method. Are you ready? Interested? But it needs some things to do that. Can you arrange it? That is two white cloth, like handkerchief, or by 8 by 8 size. Can you arrange it? Not a new one, not a new one. Just a piece from a dhoti or just a piece from dupatta. Can you arrange?
Ma'am, old t-shirts.
No problem, all dishes. But we need to experiment here. We need small pieces. That is easy for you. It's the first time now, so it's easy for you. Take a small piece. It should be cotton. Okay, all of you, can you arrange? Can you arrange two small 8 by 8 size cotton clothes or light color that match to white? So it's okay. Okay, then turmeric powder. We need turmeric powder. We are going to natural dye. We are going to the natural dye. So 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, then boiled water. What about that things? Is it okay for you? Okay? Sana? I can't see you, Sana. Sana? Are you there? Sana's screen is off. Okay, then we need one item to thread. Normal sewing thread. No? Reina, okay? Magna, okay? Okay, thumbs up. Anna? Okay. Steffi?
Ma'am, I don't think I'll have turmeric powder and boiling water is fine, but I don't think I'll have the shirt and the thread.
Thread. Okay. Mm, any thread, not sewing thread. Any thread, can you arrange it?
Ma'am, I'll try. I'll see if
Okay,
I can.
one do. One. Okay, just a rubber band.
Rubber band will be there.
Okay, then take that. Okay, Malavika. Okay, okay. So next period we will go to something interesting. Okay, okay. Come back to the portion. The next in 19 so we said about in 1916 there was a fashion of broad there was a fashion of fried jeans and tie and dye shirts and shirt, but unfortunately that was not acceptable by the society. So after 2 years there was a there was other fashion in 1980s. In 1980s there was a fashion of broad shouldered shirt. Broad shouldered, what do you mean by broad shouldered? That means shoulder part is broad, look like broad. Okay, that shows that is a symbol of power dressing. That's a symbol of power dressing, and also is the ability to criticize, ability to receive the criticisms from others. That shows the woman's power. At that time, that shows the woman's power. Okay, is it clear? Then again in 1990s, there was a fashion of grunge look. Grunge look. Grunge look. What do you mean by grunge look? Anna, do you remember that grunge look?
Informal dresses.
Yeah, informal dresses, or it's dirty dresses, or difficult to clean, or it's a careless dressing. We can explain like this. Okay, that is the grunge look. These three looks are not acceptable by the society, so this fashion does not exist more. Okay, then we are entering into the social factors. That means social factors can explain in different ways, in three ways, mainly in three ways. First one is dynamics. First one is dynamics of the social group. Can you see this?
No, ma'am.
No? Can you see this? I'm
No,
sharing
ma'am.
screen. Can you see this? Now? No? You can't see the screen,
No,
right?
ma'am.
Right? Okay. Okay. Then just write the dynamics of social groups. It's leave it. Dynamics of social groups. What do you mean by dynamics? Simply it means dynamics. What you heard about in the physics? What do you mean by dynamics? It's a branch of it's a branch of mechanics. It's a branch of mechanics. But here we used as this. Here we used as a force affecting. Right. Is it clear? Force affecting. Force affected the fashion. That is described in dynamics of social groups. The domination of the domination of higher socioeconomic strata that affect the fashion in two ways. The domination means power. Power of higher socio-economic strata. That means the people with wealth and power that affect the fashion in two ways. Which are the ways? I already mentioned in previous classes. Which are the two ways? Which are the two ways, Steffi? Did you remember?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
In social factors, in dynamics of social groups, there are two ways. There are two ways.
Differentiation
Differentiation
and
and imitation.
imitation.
Imitation. When we heard about the word imitation, or when we write about the word imitation, brings the word name, just word name, that means copy into your mind. Then it will get easy. Okay. Imitate means just copy something. That is here the consumer with lower economic strata. Lower economic strata, they wish to be or they are aspired to be the persons with higher economic strata. Is it clear? Is it clear, Raina? Okay. Then in imitation, it refers to that the consumers with lower economic strata, they wish to be or they aspire to be look like the person with higher socioeconomic strata. Then what becomes? Then what will the outcome? It leads to manufacturing of It leads to manufacturing of the cheaper goods or fake goods. Cheaper goods or fake goods. Clear? Imitation is clear? Is it clear, students? Shall I move? Okay. Then the differentiation. What do you mean by differentiation? It's just a classification, right? Meghna, it's just a classification of something, right? Here the differentiation divided into two. That means it takes place in two ways. In what ways? In which ways? The first one is differentiation of upper classes. Differentiation of upper classes. Differentiation of upper classes. Then next, differentiation among similar products. I will send you the notes. Okay. Differentiation of the upper classes from the masses. That means differentiation of the upper classes. Upper classes means first class people, right? So differentiate, we have to differentiate of the upper classes from the masses through a conscious focus on high branded product or exclusivity products or high priced luxury items. That means the higher people with wealth and power, they selected an item on the basis of its brand, its price, its exclusivity. Is it clear? In differentiation of upper classes from the masses through a conscious focus on their purchase. That means it bases on the what, Meghna?
Brand,
Brand, exclusivity, and the other point is high priced luxury items, right? Okay, the next differentiation among similar products. Differentiation among the similar products through the presentation of an item to differentiate or to highlight its differences from the other in similar type, in order to get what? The attraction from the target market. We have to attract the people. So what? We have to attract the people. So here differentiation take place among the similar products. In which way? Malavika, in which way differentiation take place here?
Superiority over other products of similar type.
That is in the textbooks, right? I'm not asking that lines. Just your brain, just from your brain. Okay, just your idea, share. Come on, differentiation among similar products. Is it a similar product? So we have to present its qualities over the other products, right? We have to present the qualities, or we have to find out the qualities over the other products in the similar type. Okay, then we will, come on Malavika, share your idea. Then we will differentiate from one from another, right? Here the differentiation take place through the presentation of a product, to highlight the differences from the other products. Okay, then we can target our consumers. Through the presentation. Okay, then this product is publicized. This product is publicized through the marketing. Through marketing, we can publicize this product. Then the outcome is, first one is appeal to the target consumer. Appeal means attract the target consumer. Then differentiate the product from the other similar products. Then create desirability. Create desirability. Can you see this? Hello, Magna, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
First point is differentiation of upper classes. The next one is differentiation. I'm writing here. Have a look here. Among? Tell me.
Similar.
Yeah, similar products. In first condition, there is a differentiation of upper classes. That means it is related to the persons with wealth and power. They selected, come on, they purchase an item according to which basis? They
Brand.
purchase an item according to
Brand.
brand, high price,
Exclusivity.
products, yes, right? Then the next differentiation among the similar products, in which way? Come on, the next one. Anna.
To highlight differentiation among similar products, to highlight its difference.
To highlight the difference from other products. That's also same category. So we have to differentiate it on the basis of the qualities. Okay, we have to present the qualities through the presentation. Then we will get the target consumers, right? So here differentiation mainly take place in two ways. That is differentiation of upper classes and differentiation among the similar products. So dynamic social groups is over. For example, just a minute, for example, take a bath soap. Here differentiation take place according to the upper classes. According to the upper classes, bath soap is a beauty product, right? It's a differentiation of upper classes. They seems to be like a beauty product. But while others look like this as a individual or family health, is to individual or family health. That is the differentiation take place here. That means differentiation of both upper classes and similar products. Upper classes because they choose the product like a, come on, Reina. They choose the product on the basis of high quality. So here, bath soap seems to be a beauty product. So they purchase the beauty product with high quality, high brand, and high luxurious. Okay. Then the others, while others select a beauty soap on the basis of individual and family health, right? Okay. Then shall I move to the next factor? That means next point, social factor. The next point is global issues and concerns. If you have no doubts here, shall I move to other? Okay. Then what's the response? Give me a response. Give me the response, Steffi.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. The next is global issues and concerns. Global issues and next, global issues and concerns. Okay. In global issues and concerns, give me any examples of global issues. Any example? Steffi, give me any example of global issue.
Global
Anyone?
warming.
Global warming, okay.
Deforestation.
Okay. Common thing, pollution, right? Did you heard about the pollution? Okay, here in the fashion industry, there are a lot of procedures behind that. There are a lot of procedures, right? So these procedures affect the environment badly, very badly. Okay, we will explain this at the next period. Okay, at the next period, get ready with the things. What are they? At 10:45 a.m., we get ready with, you get ready with, come on. What are the items? Two cotton clothes. Yes, response. Come on, Meghna.
Turmeric powder,
Turmeric powder.
water,
Salt, boiled water, and the thread. Don't forget, just write down. Just write down the things. Turmeric powder, salt, 2, 8x8 cloth, white cloth. Don't forget that. White or just light cloth, okay? Just light color. Then thread. Okay? Okay, I'm going to stop this class. So we will see at the next period. Okay, bye.